Okay, real talk. I have designed so many, dozens of bedrooms. You know, I have obsessed over everything from the right window treatments to the perfect bed frame, the perfect bedding, the dressers, the nightstands, the lighting, the artwork. And for years, I completely neglected the one thing that takes up half the visual space in a bedroom and literally affects the quality of every single day that you live and breathe and sleep. The mattress. I know what you're thinking, like, what kind of designer are you? You don't even consider the mattress. You know what? I am an excellent architectural interior designer, but when it comes to personal preferences, that's where sometimes I step off. I typically let my clients choose what mattress they sleep on. I mean, they're the ones that are sleeping on the mattress. You're the one that's shelling out hundreds, thousands of dollars sometimes for a quality mattress, but you come to me for my expertise, and here is where I come through. This video is sponsored by Birch, and here's why we made the switch. And I feel like so many of you are gonna relate to this. After you have a newborn, you're just like in survival mode, right? Like I had Kumari, we were new parents. I didn't even know what I was doing. I was consistently just waking up like really hot. Obviously, I'm nursing, she's in bed with me, and I was also getting like all this back pain. I wasn't even thinking, it was so dumb. I wasn't even thinking it was my mattress, okay, to be honest. I was actually thinking it was like my new body, okay, all the hormones, nursing on the daily. It's just like my body was breaking down. You know, the room wasn't warm. I had AC on blast the whole time. And then after having the second baby, I realized that all of us on our mattress was just like a heat trap. So I started researching, and this is where my designer brain kicked in. I just wanted the best mattress for my family, for myself, my kids, my husband. We already have a bed in my primary bedroom, but we need a secondary bed because I want options. You know, there are days where I crawl out of bed like super hot and I just want my own bed. My husband, same thing. So I wanted a mattress that was all natural, made with organic materials, something that was going to accommodate a multitude of sleepers, a variety of different bed styles. My mom, grandma, also stays with us sometimes. So this bed needs to accommodate an elderly person as well. Like her back's not that great either, okay? And so she likes a firm mattress. I like a plush mattress. And my husband's number one priority, it can't get too hot. You know, the same way I'm intentional about what I visually see, what goes on in the walls, the furniture that I select, what I put in my kids' spaces, I need to be very intentional about what I sleep on as well. Traditional mattresses, even a lot of the expensive ones, are filled with polyurethane foam, synthetic flame retardants, and chemicals that off-gas into your bedroom air as you sleep. I didn't even know that. For years, I didn't even think about this. And now that I have kids, it's like I cannot unthink it. The Birch Luxe is made of natural and organic materials. Organic cotton, natural wool sourced from New Zealand, and GOLS certified organic latex, which simply just means that the latex has been grown and processed to certified organic standards. On top of that is Green Guard Gold certified, which means it's been independently tested to confirm that the chemicals that are emitted are very low levels. No polyurethane foam, no fiberglass, because fiberglass in mattresses is a real thing that a lot of people don't know about. As a mom, I'm not being overly dramatic when I say that this really matters. You know, we spend a third of our lives in bed. I mean, even more so when I was nursing. My kids come and they like jump all over this bed. There's nothing that I have in the house that's too precious, so I'm never gonna be like, get off the bed because you're emitting toxic gas. Like, that's ridiculous. The air quality inside your bedroom is affected by your mattress. So when I say that this really is the best mattress for my family, it's natural, organic, I mean, I truly mean it. It's a huge part of my why. Now, specifically, I went with the Birch Luxe, and the difference between that and the standard Birch Natural is a Euro top. It's a plush cashmere blended top layer that gives the mattress its refined feel without losing firm support. It's just a personal preference. The construction underneath is natural latex over individually wrapped zone coils, which means the center of the mattress where your lower back is has more support, and the shoulder and hip areas have a little bit more to give. That's a detail that actually fixed my back pain situation. And the wool and natural latex work together to regulate your temperature. Wool is naturally moisture wicking, and latex is far more breathable than memory foam because it doesn't trap heat the way synthetic foam does. I'm sleeping through the night now consistently when I crawl into the guest bedroom. So it just makes me want to be in here more often. You know, I feel like we need to make the switch in our primary bedroom at the new house already. And the quality of the mattress is just visible. I mean, look at it. The organic cotton cover has this clean, natural texture that looks beautiful even without any bedding on it. But for me, someone who cares so deeply about how your bedroom looks, a mattress that's gorgeous and it's good for you and your family, I mean, that's the ultimate win, don't you think? I'm going to send every single one of my clients this review video as soon as I'm done with it. I mean, I'm not trying to be pushy, but I really just want to tell you guys, this is what I'm putting in my own home. And this is my honest personal review of the Birch Luxe mattress, which I've had for about 2 years now. It's currently sitting in the guest bedroom, which was very strategic on my part because, as a lot of you guys know, after having 2 kids, we co-sleep. Okay, I love it. But I'm also co-sleeping on a California king mattress, which does not fit all 4 of us. I mean, it fits myself and my 2 kids just fine, and then all of a sudden, you know, my husband's at the end of the bed. It's just like a horrible situation, and not one that I actually like to divulge because I am a professional designer, but it's just the truth. This is how I'm living right now. We're in transition. So I knew that when I needed a mattress for my guest bedroom, I did the research. I allowed my husband to do the research for our primary. I don't even know why I let him do that. I think it was because we're coming from Costco mattresses and it was just inexpensive, right? And as a designer, this is the part that brings me the most joy. This mattress then becomes the foundation of the entire bedroom design. When you start with natural organic materials at the base, everything that you layer on top begins to feel more intentional, more elevated. This entire guest bedroom is going with us to the new house, and of course the mattress is going to come along with it. Before I wrap up, I would love to know, like, what makes you choose organic, eco-conscious materials over the next? Are you currently sleeping on a natural or hybrid bed? Is it the health aspect? I mean, did you not know that fiberglass was even a thing? I didn't either. And if you're ready to make the switch for what I truly believe is the best organic, non-toxic, natural mattress on the market out there, I'll leave a link in the description box for a special discount, and I'll also put it in the comments so it's just easy for you to shop. Thank you to Birch Living for sponsoring today's video, and thank you for watching, everyone. Sweet dreams.